start, please like and subscribe to my channel, and if you want more random doodles, please visit my other channel, Shekainah Art. So today, let's get started. We're going to be drawing a spider. First, draw the blue cross, and then let's draw 2 overlapping circles like so. So I'm going to outline the red lines with a black line like so. So now let's draw the front legs of the spider. So just copy what I'm doing. And then the right leg, it's like it's folded in front of him. And then, so I'll be adjusting the leg a little bit here so it overlaps with the left leg. Like so. So don't be afraid to make erasures. I always do that all the time. And then we're going to proceed with drawing the other legs of the spider. So it's got 3 more legs on the right side and 3 more legs on the left side. So as you can see, I'm making the tip of the leg a little bit thicker. So I got 3 sets of leg on each side. I'm just adjusting the legs where I want it. And then we're gonna draw some small eyes on both sides of the head, and then bigger eyes. So just draw a big circle in between the blue lines, and then draw those little circle in the middle of the eye, and then draw the circle that I'm doing right now. And then now we're going to outline the drawing. So just outline the sketch like so and use a thicker marker. So now I'm outlining the eyes, and then we're going to be shading those parts of the eye in a little bit. So now I'm going to shade them. I'm removing the background for now. So now let's shade the eyes. I'm going to shade the small eyes first, and then I'm going to shade the middle of the big eyes, the bigger eyes. And then we're going to be coloring the spider light brown. So just color the edges first, and then fill it out in the middle with the light brown. And then I'm going to color the outside of the eye yellow. So now we're going to move on to shading. So just use a darker brown to shade the bottom of the head, the lower part of the legs, and then under the eyes. So now we're going to proceed with putting some tiny hair. So use a thinner pen for this, and just do some random lines like what I'm doing. I'm just drawing some random lines so it looks like a hairy spider. So that sums up our drawing for today. I hope you enjoy that. So that sums up our drawing for today. Hope you enjoy that. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you tomorrow.